How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers for tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one, as you can see, this is an AI influencer and has followers, real followers, and as you can see, doesn't exist, even that is followed by people. This one too, as you can see, has over 300k of followers. It's powered by AI. It's an AI influencer, and it's followed by real people. So the various pictures, a lot of likes, comments. So you can here find pictures, so you can create yours too, and then you can earn money with it. So dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are defining the rules of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script, and a lot of AI influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So here we have a lot of AI influencer, and as I mentioned, earns millions of dollars. So first step you need to start your video using AI influencer is creating an AI influencer. But don't worry, you don't have actually to create it, because here we have HeyGen.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is type open your web browser and type HeyGen.com, and it will lead you to this page. As you can see here, we have various options: use cases, features, resources, company, pricing. So for use cases, you can find product overview, scaled outreach, learning and development features, AI avatar, AI voices, video translate, personalized video streaming, avatar, zipper, resources. You can find blog, creator, fan, affiliate program, ambassador program, weekly webinar, case studies, help center, the company too. So you can find here about us, safety and ethics, careers. So you can find here a lot of things that can help you to more understand the website, how it works. So you can find here AI character explaining a specific topic. Here we is introducing the website, and if we more scroll down over here, you'll find various AI sales outreach, product marketing, uh, and also learning and development content marketing. So we find various AI character explaining a specific topic, and here we have the AI character. So you can find the AI character explain or various AI character that you can choose to explain your topic. So to get started, you can just click over here or over here, and then you can enter your email, your verification code. You will answer for a few questions, then it will lead you to the home page, of course, after clicking on sign up. So this is my recent creation of it. As you can see here, we have a lot of recent creations, because I already have account here. That's why if you had account, you can also have your recent creation. So here we have hygiene learning guide. So if you didn't understand, for example, something, you can go to the guide, and then you can click. For example, if you didn't understand things about AI Studio, you can just click over here and you'll find a video with AI influencer explaining something, and explaining that topic. AI Studio, the same thing for video avatar, AI voice, video translation. If we more scroll down, you'll find templates. So you can find a lot of templates with a various topic, various AI character explaining or introducing the topic. So you can choose the one you want, and then you can start with. So you can also create your own video. So if you want to edit your own video, you can just go to video avatar and then go to studio avatar. You'll find various AI character. As you can see, here's the AI characters, so you can find a various one. So let's, for example, select that one. This is John in casual suit. Destroyed it if you want to edit avatar, get avatar ID. This one if you want to create video, so you can click on the landscape, and then you can start on YouTube. So you can just click over here here we have a lot of options, so you can find a lot of options here. And as you can see, this is the EI character. You can put it on the left, on the right, on the middle. You can also determine the size of your EI character. This is the animation. If you want to add an effect on enter, add an effect on leave. So here we have various effects. So you can find here fade, left, right, up, down. And if you want to also add a script, you can delete that one and then you can edit the script. You can click on plus icon, and also you can edit post section to edit post between these two scripts, for example. And you can make a 3-second paper list, maybe more. Here we have the edit recording. You can edit recording by clicking on uh, start. And if you want to upload audio, you can upload it. And if you find some difficulties on writing script, you can just click over here and then you can type the topic you want. Then GPT script writer will help you to create one. And also if you want to translate, you can select the language you want and then you can translate the script you want by clicking on apply. And also if you have finished your editing, you can just click on submit and then your video will be ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. So you can also find here voices, so you can find a lot of voices. So here we have a lot of types: natural voice, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games, and the languages too. So you can select the language you want and then you can find here other languages, for example Arabic. As you can see, this is Arabic, for example Catalan. So we can find here we have the voice of for example Chinese, as you can see. So you can find the various one. And we have also here the gender. I already choose EI character male, so of course the gender will be male voice. And the age, have your various one: child voice, youth voice, middle-aged voice, older voice. The function, you can adjust the function. It's depend on how you want your voice. And the way you can edit it, the way suits your content and suits your EI character. So there's a various way to earn money using this video. You can start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like Impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products. So you can in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through their referral links, or you can just simply create a video guide. Using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. And also just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So these two ways are just two examples to get started earning money. So there's a lot of ways, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.